Ararat Mirzoyan is an Armenian politician and the current president of the National Assembly of Armenia. As a founding member of the Civil Contract Party, he ran under the Way Out alliance during the 2017 parliamentary election and was elected to represent the 3rd electoral district, consisting of the Malatia-Sebastia and Shengavit neighbourhoods of Yerevan. A strong opponent of Sirs Sargsyan, Mirzoyan was instrumental in the 2018 Armenian Velvet Revolution against Sargsyan's transition from president to prime minister. Notably, on April 11, 2018, he lit smoke flares during a speech in the National Assembly to call attention to the planned protests, which eventually did result in Sargsyan's resignation. In May 2018, after Nikol Pashinyan replaced Sargsyan as prime minister, Mirzoyan was appointed as first deputy prime minister under the new administration, for which he had to give up his seat in parliament. On the morning of 10 November 2020, protesters seized the parliament building and pulled Mirzoyan from a car, demanding to know the whereabouts of Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan, who announced a peace treaty with Azerbaijan just hours earlier to end the Nagorno-Karabakh war. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.